everyone, welcome to PRP Coding YouTube channel. I am Praveen Raveendran Pillai. Today I am going to discuss about the immutable array reversal in ES 2023. In this session, I shall explain how to reverse an array without mutation in ES 2023. So let's start. I have created a folder named array reverse and it is opened in my VS Code editor. In the src folder, it contains two JavaScript files, color-console.js and reverse.js. In the color console.js, I have imported a third-party package named Chalk. Chalk is used to style the output text in the terminal window. In the reverse.js JavaScript file, I have imported the color console.js file. Then I have created a languages array. Now, in order to reverse an array, we can use the reverse method of array object. Here you can see that I have used the reverse method against the languages array and it is assigned to a constant reverse languages. Both reverse languages and languages are logged in the console window. Now let me run this JavaScript file. In the terminal window, execute the command node reverse.js. Here you can see that the languages as well as reverse languages got reversed. So what does that mean? It means that the reverse method has actually modified the original languages array itself. So how to solve this mutation problem when reversing an array in JavaScript? For that, let me create a new JavaScript file. Let me name it as a new reverse.js. Okay. Now let me copy paste the content of reverse.js, copy and paste it in new reverse.js. Okay. Now, to solve this mutation problem, prior to ES 2023, this can be achieved in a two-step process. Step 1, create a copy of languages array. Arrays can be copied in different ways. Here I am going to use the spread operator. So let me replace this line of code, copy the languages array, open the square bracket and say dot 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 languages. Now step 2, call the reverse method against this copied array. So let me call the reverse method. And at the same time, let me go and change the heading. So here I'm saying using copy and reverse. Now, let me go and test this new JavaScript file. In the terminal window, execute the command node new reverse.js. Here you can see that the languages array is unchanged and the reverse languages is printed in the console window. So prior to ES 2023, the array mutation while reversing is solved by copying the array and then calling the reverse method. From ES 2023 onwards, this array mutation problem can be solved by calling the new toReversed method of array object. The toReversed method transposes the elements of the calling array object in reverse order and returns a new array. So let me create a new JavaScript file. Let me name it as ES 2023 reverse.js. Let me copy the contents of reverse.js and paste it in ES 2023.js. So instead of calling this reverse method, let me go and call the toReversed. Let me make it as array reverse in ES 2023. Now, let's go and test this new JavaScript file. In the terminal window, run the command node ES 2023 reverse.js.
Here you can see that the languages array is unchanged and the reverse languages is printed in the console window. The toReversed array method in JavaScript is similar to reverse, but it does not modify the original array. Instead, it works on a temporary copy, returning the reversed copy as the result. This allows us to fetch a reversed version of the array without altering the original array.
So finally, we reached the end of this session. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for the next updates. Thank you.